When documents are used across countries, teams, and markets, language quickly becomes a critical factor. With translations in Shipmondo, you can easily translate your packing slips into multiple languages, quickly and efficiently. In Shipmondo, you can translate one of the most important documents in your daily operations, packing slips. This ensures that international customers always receive documents in the correct language. Translations are managed through translation keys. A translation key represents a piece of text that can be reused across your documents. This approach ensures consistent terminology across languages, without the need to maintain multiple versions manually. You choose your primary language and can easily add an unlimited number of additional languages, such as Chinese, Spanish, or Italian. Your documents are then automatically translated based on the destination country. To get started quickly, you can use Shipmondo's automatic translation feature, which translates all text using Google Translate in just a few seconds. You can always fine-tune the translations afterward to match your brand voice and business needs. Translations work hand in hand with the document designer, where you can customize layout, fields, and content. Combine translations with the document designer to create consistent documents in every language, while staying in full control of the text and design, with a solution built to scale. Translations in Shipmondo make it easy to scale your documents to new markets. Fast, consistent, and automated.